we have the carpet. This is the heat shield or the sound deadener. Got the nice carpet. This is the heat shield. That is the sound, I believe. Okay, y'all, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to take this seat out because we just got some new carpet to go over the floor. And my mom wants to like put like some cool copper up on the ceiling or something, make it look cool, make this look, just keep this the way it is, but I think we should put a carpet. We got a nice looking black carpet. It's gonna go in here once I can take this out. Might be the case. Yeah.
I think that's
perfect.
Perfect.
Look at this. The EVA Heat Shield. We did not have any spray adhesive that worked, so we used PVC pipe.
Just a little bit.
Clear cement. There you go.
See?
Mm-hmm. Hold that. We got the sound deadener mat in. Now we're gonna cut this down so that we don't have all these cracks and bubbles. Yep.
See, we're supposed to screw these in.